This is how you make your restaurant-style fried chicken right at your home. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with flavors. And trust me, the final crunch is worth staying for. Very easy and simple. I am Dom, and this I make my fried chicken. We are starting with 1 chicken breast. First, pat dry it completely. This step might look simple, but it matters. Removing excess moisture helps the marinade cling better and give us a much better crust when we fry. Now, carefully butterfry the chicken breast because we want even thickness without cutting all the way through. Give it a few gentle hits to tenderize the chicken. Next, we are making our own buttermilk. No store-bought buttermilk, no problem. Simply combine milk with lemon juice. Give it a good mix and let it sit in the chiller until we need it. Now, in a mixing bowl, in goes our buttermilk. Next, onion powder for subtle savory sweetness. Garlic powder for classic garlic flavor. Salt to bring everything together. Black pepper for a little bite. Paprika for color and warm smoky notes. Finally, sriracha for a touch of heat. We are using buttermilk because it helps keep the chicken tender and juicy whilst adding flavor before we build that crispy crust. Give everything a really good mix. We want all the flavors uniformly distributed throughout the buttermilk. Now, add our butterfly chicken and turn it over a few times, making sure every part is completely coated. Cover it with cling film and keep it in chiller for a few hours or overnight for a better flavor. Once marinated, it's time for the crispy coating. Take the chicken straight into the breadcrumbs and press them firmly onto the surface. Don't just roll it around, really press those crumbs in. This helps the coating stick to the chicken instead of falling off when it hits the fryer, giving us that beautiful crunchy crust. Now, into the fryer it goes, and if you're enjoying the recipe so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We fry till the internal temperature reaches at least 74 degrees Celsius. And look at that. Crispy, golden, and seriously juicy on the inside. I know I don't have to say it, but this is kind of amazing. Check out my playlist for more homemade restaurant-style recipes. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until we meet in the next one, peace out. Bon appetit.